Located on East 138th Street in the Bronx, the team worked to replace an aging 100-foot span bridge that serves as an important connector in the city of New York. Constructed in 1938, the bridge functions as a grade-separated diamond interchange with daily traffic that exceeds 150,000 vehicles. Project stakeholders would have had to go through more than 200 plan sheets, which would have taken significant time. So the team used Bentley's Synchro to create a 4D simulation to depict the construction staging. Then they were able to loop in all the stakeholders and give them an understanding of the staging in just a matter of minutes. iTwin Design Review was used by over 180 reviewers and 15 agencies to identify issues or provide comments within the model, helping to keep the accelerated work on schedule and on track. New York Department of Transportation showed the 4D simulation to the Bronx community to get feedback on the lane closures and proposed sequencing. That helped alleviate public concerns and questions, and the simulation would not have been possible using traditional methods.